So, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Okay, so Didi has again started messaging us, but let's focus on the question. So, guys, today we are going to solve a hard problem which was asked in PayPal. It was asked 3, 4, 5 days ago. Okay, and the problem is very, very interesting. The link to the problem is here. The people who are interested in reading, they can read from here, and I will explain the problem in short. What is the problem saying? Let's see. There are m jobs to schedule on n processors. A schedule is balanced if the difference between the number of jobs scheduled on any two neighboring processors does not exceed 1. So the kth processor is the most efficient, and thus the maximum number of jobs should be scheduled on that processor. Find the maximum number of jobs that can be scheduled on the kth processor such that the overall schedule remains balanced. Okay, guys. So the language of the question is bit confusing, but the understanding is very, very easy. What they are trying to say, they are trying to say that you are given an you have to you are given three elements. Okay, you are given three elements. Those are n, m, and k. Okay, and what is the constraint for n? N can be as large as 10 raised to 5. See, it is given here. N can be as large as 10 raised to 5. It is given here. See, m will always be greater than equal to n, and it will be less than equal to 10 raised to 9. And k will always be between 1 to n. Okay, so they are saying you that you try to construct an array of size n such that the largest possible number is at the kth index. Means they are saying that you focus on the number at the kth index and try to make it as big as possible. Also, each element should have an absolute difference of 0 or 1 with their adjacent elements, and also the total sum of these elements should exactly be m. Try to maximize the element of index k, and each array element should be greater than equal to 1. So guys, I understand it can be hard to know the multiple conditions, but let's focus. They are saying that n is 5, m is 11, k is 3. Okay, so n is 5. Let's try to understand the example. So guys, in the example what they are giving you, they are saying is that n is 5 and m is 11. You need to make an array such that the sum of all the numbers in the array is 11, and you have to maximize the element at the kth index, and k is 3. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me which kind of arrays you can make which are totally valid? At the third index we need to maximize the number, and at all the other indices the number should be having absolute difference of 0 or 1, and also the sum should be 11. So this is not that much easy as you're thinking. Okay, so what they have done, they have said that this is a valid case. 2 2 3 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 2 3 2 2. So let's go and write 2 2 3 2 2. Guys, this is a valid array. Why? This is valid. Where did it go? Guys, this is valid. This is valid. Why is this valid? See, guys, why is this valid? Because difference difference of any two adjacent elements is 1 equal to 1 or 0. So guys, you can see the difference is always 1 or 0. 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 3 1, 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 2 0. It is valid because the difference of any two adjacent number is 0, and also sum of all elements equal to m. Sum of all elements is equal to m, which is 11. Guys, check the sum. 1 2 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 8 9 10 11. See, the sum is 11. And what is the maximization possible here in this case? Let's say the array was b. So b of k is what? B of k is b of 3. What is b of 3 in this case? It is 3. Okay. So in this case, you are able to maximize the number as 3. So answer is 3 for now. So guys, they are saying let's try different combinations possible. Okay. So you can see that they said that this is also an array 1 2 3 4 1, but this is not valid. Why? Because 4 and 1 is having a difference of 3, and it is clearly said in the question that the difference should be 1 or 0. Guys, this is totally valid. 1 2 3 3 2 is valid. Why? Difference between all the elements is 0 or 1, and the second thing is that the sum of all these numbers is 11. And the element at third index is what? 3. So the answer is 3. This is also valid. The difference of all the adjacent numbers is 1 and 0, and the sum of the numbers is 11. And what is the element at the third index? 2. So the answer for this is 2. So they are saying try to generate all the possibilities. Then whatever you are getting in the possibility, one time you got 3, then you got 2, then you got 3, then you got 2, right? Answer is maximum of all these numbers. Answer is 3. You don't want the 2 guy at the third index. You want the, see, they have clearly told you, try to do these things in such a way, try to maximize the element of index k. Guys, if slowly, yes, it is difficult. That's why I am solving it, right? Other people won't solve it and won't explain the intuition, because for solving you need to understand first, and then you need to make the other person also understand. You don't know what is the other person's level. Anyways, guys, if the understanding of the question is clear, everyone start writing yes in the chat. Guys, everyone start writing yes. Be quick, be quick. You guys have to become like my students. See, Ritik cracked Microsoft 45 LPA, and then Karan cracked Goldman Sachs 30 LPA. Soon your photos will also come here. So let's focus on PayPal. PayPal gives 25 lakhs. Anyways, focusing back, guys, what are they saying? They are saying you are given three integers n, m, and k. Try to make an array of size n such that the absolute difference between all the adjacent numbers is 0 or 1, and the sum of these numbers should be m, and try to maximize the element at index k. Guys, this is the question. Is the understanding clear? Noel and everyone start writing. Be quick, be quick, be quick. Satabdo, you too. Yeah, good, nice. Guys, Sakshi, everyone start writing yes if the understanding is clear. I'm not asking about the explanation, I'm only talking about the understanding. Okay, now guys, to check if the understanding is clear or not, what I will do is I will myself create a test case for you. Okay, so guys, n is 5. Okay, k is say 2. Okay, and let me think. And m is let me think for a second. Okay, what should be the test case? 10, 10, 8, okay, so if I put guys, m is 18. Guys, can you tell me some arrays of size 5 such that the sum of the numbers is 18 and the adjacent difference will always be less than equal to 1? Guys, start writing in the chat. Let's see what my innovative students are coming up with. Guys, start writing the arrays of size 5 whose sum is 18 and the adjacent number difference is 1 or 0. 43434. 43434. Congrats. Akhil will surely get the money. 43434. Good. So is the sum, guys, 18? Let me check. Uh 448, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is 18. And also the difference is 1, 0 or 1. But guys, what is the element at the second index? It is coming as 3. So guys, it is coming as 3. Can you make a array which is having a larger number than 3? Let's see what people are writing in the chat. We have to maximize, na? Maximize the number at the second index, kth index. Okay, Karandeep, congratulations. 44433. Congratulations, Ishan. Congratulations, Satish, Kanaya. So the guys, 44433 is a better answer. Why? Because the number at the kth index is increasing. 44433. Guys, this has become bigger now. We can say that the answer is 44. Guys, last question. Can you make it bigger than 4? Try in the chat. Can you make it bigger than 4? Put all your focus. You can make it bigger than 4. Let's see what people are writing. Guys, you can make it bigger than 4. Try. एक बार 4 से बड़ा ट्राई करो उधर डालने का, देखो क्या होता है. We really need a number even bigger than 4, guys. Fight for your right. Increase. See, you did for 3. I loved it. But question is saying maximize the number at the kth element. 3 is good, 4 is good. Make it even larger. Congratulations, Sakshi. Sakshi is correct. Sakshi is correct. What did Sakshi say? Let me check. Yes, 45432. 45432. 4 5. Yeah, Satish, you are also five. Guys, do you all agree with me that okay, I think is five only the best answer? I really think so. But still, yes, we can increase, but let's see now how much we can increase. So you guys are saying that write a 5 year, but and then this writer pad now I will have to buy a better one. 543. But guys, the question is saying make it larger. Guys, can you make it even larger? Make it the largest, guys, largest. And all the numbers should be greater than equal to 1. Huh? It is clearly given. See, all array elements should be greater than equal to 1. Guys, now tell me the largest number possible which you can write. You can use common sense. As the numbers are decreasing, what is the minimum number you can write? You should write a 1 year. Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it. We cannot do that because the difference, adjacent difference, then will not be 1. Nah? Got it, got it. Guys, do you think it can become larger than 5? I think no. But still, let's see what would happen if I keep a 6 year, we keep a 5 year, we keep a 4 year, we keep a 3 year, and we keep a 5 year. But the sum will not be, yeah, yeah, got it. Guys, 5 is the final answer. Guys, please write yes if you understood that 5 is the final answer. No, Shishir, no, because the adjacent difference is bigger than 1. Yes, guys. So for this case, guys, what is the K? 2. So what is the answer? Answer is this array. 4, 5. We will be able to solve hard problems just by using observation and analysis. 4. अरे यार कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई? Already, guys, I have 25 pending one-to-one sessions. I have to take 25 sessions. Anyways, going back to the problem, guys. So, अरे चल क्यों नहीं रहा भाई? हाँ, 4 5 4 3 2, guys. This is the answer. So the element at index k is what? 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay, this is it, guys. Because k was given as 2. So guys, now let's try to understand the brute force solution. What can you do? Guys, you can try each value at b of k. Simple, guys, common sense. You can try what will happen if you use a 1. You can try what will happen if you use 2. You can try what will happen if you use 3. You can try what will happen if you use 4, 5, 6. At some point it will break. At some point it will break. Why? See, it is clearly written. It is clearly written. Guys, I want to like do some observation here. What is the observation? If the array is satisfied for if the array is satisfied for b of k equal to y, then it is always satisfied for then it is always in general. Anyways, I will come to this point later. Okay, for now let's not get into this. Okay, let's just say let's just say that we have to try and we need to check up that what is going to happen. Okay, so guys, now let's focus. Guys, we can try for each value b of k. Yeah, yes, correct, correct. Guys, we have to try each value of b of k. Let's be quick. Okay, we have to try each value of b of k. But how to check once you know? Say you try for 1, you try for 2, you try for 3, you try for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you find the biggest value, right, by running a for loop. But once a b of k is decided, how do you know if it will satisfy all the conditions? This is the biggest problem here. This is the biggest problem, guys. This is the biggest problem. It can happen that you say you come here, okay, you have this n, you have this k. Where is my pointer? Yeah. Okay, now guys, let's try to focus. Let's say it happens that there is this n, and you are given some m, you are given some k. Okay, these things are given to you. You try to first say this is the kth index of the array. Array is very big. First, you try to put a 1 year, then you try to put a 2 year, then you try to put a 3 year, you try to put a 4 year. The number will never be greater than m, guys, because the total sum is the total sum is equal to n. So how can you put a number bigger than m here? All rest will have to be zero, and it's clearly written that all the elements should be greater than equal to 1. So my proposition is that you try for each value, and then you see for which largest value it is coming as correct. Okay, for which largest value it is coming as correct, you need to check that stuff. Once you know that it is coming correct, then you can output that value, right guys? Yes or no? Right in the chat. I will explain later on, Naveen. Guys, is it clear to everyone that we should try to check? How to check, we don't know. How to check, we don't know. I'm just saying that just try to check for 1, for 2, for 3, there for 4, and then just see. How to check, I will tell. How to check, I am going to tell. Guys, clear? Now comes the most important observation. Guys, say you fix the value at b of k, then what is the minimum possible case? What is the minimum possible sum of numbers? Guys, it will look like this. Say the k is 3, this is the largest guy, then you will decrease one number from here, you will decrease one number from here, will decrease one number from here, and you will decrease one number from here, guys. This is the most important thing. You should be knowing the range. In the minimum possible case, what will you do? You will give the b of k value, or you will say, let's say a minimum possible case, what do? You give b of k equal to y, and then for numbers from k plus 1 till n, what do you do, guys? You put y plus 1 and the numbers like that, y plus 2, sorry, y minus 1. This will make sure that the sum of the numbers is minimum. I'm trying to find the minimum possible sum. Okay, clear guys? This is the minimum possible case because you are decreasing every element from left to right. Guys, what is the maximum possible case? Common sense. You select the k and all the elements are increasing one by one by one by one by one. One by one by one by one by one. So guys, for each b of k value, you can know what is the maximum range and what is the lowest range. Yes or no, guys? So what I'm trying to say is, for each value from 1 to m, for b of k equal to I, you can know the lowest and maximum sum possible. Guys, I hope you found this observation interesting. You can guys know the lowest and maximum sum possible. Guys, everyone write in the chat yes if they understood this observation. It's very important that you should know the maximum and minimum sum possible. It is very important that everyone knows this. Okay guys, for now I am giving 1 minute time for everyone to think of the exact solution which should be there. I'm giving some time. You guys can take time. I'm giving just a 1 minute break. But I think I have told all the solution. Okay, now it is simple. You are trying for each value b of k, right? From 1 to m. And you also know that for each value, what can be the maximum sum and what can be the minimum sum. So just tell me, how will you know that this b of k value is valid or not? Start thinking and start writing in the chat, giving 1 minute to every one of you. So guys, the problem was just common sense. It was not that difficult. Let's see what people are writing. Guys, tell me. This is my question to everyone. It's very important. How will you know if d of k is equal to I? How will you know if this is valid? How will you know if this is valid array? Guys, just use common sense, guys. You can calculate the max case. Let's say max is what? You calculate the max sum and you calculate the min sum. If the m is between both these values, then you can always achieve that valid array. That's the common sense. These things you are were missing. So min sum less than equal to m less than equal to max sum. If this is the case, it means that array B is valid. Array B is valid. Guys, this was very important. Okay, now I will explain why is this valid. Guys, some people start writing yes if they are active in the meeting. Start writing yes, guys. I will explain. I will explain. I will explain. I will explain to everyone. This problem is so difficult, but still I am taking the risk to explain. Okay. So guys, what is question saying? What is question saying? Let's go back. Let's go back. So question is saying that you are given a n. Your n is 5 guys. Okay. You are given a k guy. Your k is 3 guys. You are given a m. Your m is 12 guys. Okay. Now you decide that the b of k will be 1. You decide that the b of k initially will be 1. Okay, Satabdo, b of k will be 1. So first you calculate the minimum possible sum of this array. What is the minimum possible sum of the array, guys? Obviously you cannot decrease to 0, so this will also be 1. 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 So the minimum sum will be what? 6. Guys, what will be the maximum sum? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you calculate the maximum minimum sum is very easy. Just increment and decrement the numbers depending on the condition. Maximum sum is what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Guys, the m which you wanted is 12. This is not coming in the range of 6 to 11. It means you can never reach 12. If your m is not greater than equal to min sum and less than equal to max sum, it means it can never come. Hence, it is not valid. B of k equal to 1 is not valid. Now, guys, you understood a little bit what I am trying to say. I am saying that whatever is the maximum and minimum sum na of an array we are constructing, the m value should lie in between. If it is above or below 6 and 11, then you can never reach that because you already know the minimum and maximum. But now my proposition is, I am saying what? I am saying that 6 was minimum, 11 was maximum. It means you can make an array with some 6. You can make an array with some 11. It also means that you can make an array with some 7, with some 8, with some 9, with some 10. Now, how is this possible? How is this possible, you ask me, right? I will tell you. Calm down. You can always increase one number and reach the maximum state if you use common sense. How can you reach from here to here? Say the sum is 6 guys. Now every one of you tell me right now, how will you make this array of sum 7? I am trying to say कि अगर तुमको पता है कि मिनिमम 6 आने वाला है और मैक्सिमम 11 आने वाला है तो तुम बीच की सारी वैल्यूज ला सकते हो बस एक एक वैल्यू बढ़ा के. शताब्दो मेरा कहने का ये मतलब था. Guys, the sum 6 is possible. Convert this array into sum 7. Let's see what people are writing. Yeah, just increase 1. Keep on increasing 1. Nana, update this array. Give me the full new array for this. Don't write one lines. Make this new, change this array into another array such that the sum of the number is 7 and the condition is still the same. Yes, correct, Naveen. Correct, Satabdu. Now, guys, the 7 is possible. So I'm writing 7 ko mein check mark. I'm doing 7 ko check mark. Okay. 7 is done. Now, guys, try to make it 8. Let's see what you guys do. Try to make it 8. Try to make this 8. I'm trying to say if you know that the minimum is 6, maximum is 11, then you can bring all the numbers in between. 7 you have already done. Now, guys, let's try 8. Try to make it 8. Let's see who does it first. 2 triple 1. Correct, correct. Guys, now try to make it 9. Try to make it 9. That's what I'm trying to prove. If you know the minimum possible sum and maximum possible sum, you can always do plus 1, minus 1 operations and reach all the possible sums as well. Guys, try to reach 9. Try to reach 9. Now you can use common sense here also. This was 11, right? So you cut this 3, write this 2, this will become 10. You cut this 3, this make this 2, this will become 9. Job done. It means by doing plus 1 minus 1, you can reach all the numbers in the given range. Guys, if this concept is clear, everyone start writing yes in the chat. This was the most important observation for this problem. And it is hard, huh? It's not easy. Because until I say, you don't know that this was the observation. Yeah. So guys, what is the most important observation? If you know the max sum of array and min sum of array, guys, if you know these two things, you know the maximum sum of array and you know the minimum sum of array, then it means it simply means one thing. It means if m is lying between, guys, if m is lying between max sum to min sum, sorry, min sum to max sum, min sum to max sum, then it is a valid, then it is valid. My job is slowly becoming very tough. If m is lying between min sum and max sum, it means it is valid. Hence, I is valid answer. Now, guys, you just try to find the maximum possible I in all the cases, and the job is done. Guys, now I'm going through its code. Huh? Don't worry about the C++, Java, Python thing. I will be uploading all the codes very soon. Now, let's try to understand the algorithm. What is the algorithm telling us? So, guys, we are going from 1 to n. See, I took the input of n, m, and k. Then I initialize the answer as -1. I'm going from 1 till m. I just check if the I number is valid, then I put the answer as I and I output the answer as I. Okay. How to check if I is valid or not? Simple. Simple. You make an empty array. Okay. You give the k index the value VL. Okay. From k plus 1, you start decrementing the values one by one. B of I is B of I minus 1 minus 1. And in case it becomes 0, then you have to keep the same value, right? So B of I is 1. And you keep on adding the B of I to the, you're trying to find the lowest sum. So L is the lowest sum. Then L equal to L plus B of K, that particular number. Then the left part of the array. This loop was for the right part of the array, and this loop is for the left part of the array. Again, you start decreasing. B of I is B of I plus 1 minus 1. In case it becomes 0, make it 1 because you cannot make it 0. So L equal to L plus B of I, and that's it. Similarly, for the largest sum, you have to increase one element. So see, B of I is B of I minus 1 plus 1. Right part of the array, left part of the array, H equal to H plus B of K. Same, last condition. If the M given to you is coming between the L and H. Okay, guys, I told you, na? If M is coming in the range L to H, then it's a good, then it's a valid, valid array for A of K equal to VL. Guys, we have assumed A of K equal to B of K, okay? B of K equal to VL. See, I clearly wrote here B of K equal to VL. So guys, this is the brute force code. This loop is running from 1 to M, and here we are running the loops from 1 to N, okay? 1 to N 4 times. Okay, so this is like O of N, and this is also O of N, so O of 2N. So basically, it is 2N into M. Okay, now I think this code is running perfectly fine. Let me check. Okay, even if I made it 12, I think it would work fine. Let us check. Yeah, it's working fine. Good. Anyways, making it 11 again. Hmm. Now, guys, everyone write yes in the chat, guys, if the brute force is clear. Satabdo. Satabdo. Hi, Satabdo. Can you unmute yourself, Satabdo? Hello. Acha, there is no condition of unmuting yourself. No worries. I'm changing the settings. I will now talk to Satabdo and make him realize how difficult this is. That is not triple TF going on here. Okay. So, hi Satabdoji, unmute yourself. So you were saying that TTTT will true will happen, then FF will come, right? The good case, right? But the thing is that this is not possible in this case. Even I realized it few minutes ago. You might have realized the horror when I took m equal to 10 and right m equal to 12, right? See, when you take m equal to 12, so b of k equal to 1 is going wrong, right? But b of k equal to 2 and 3 is valid. This is pure horror. Okay, because we were saying that first t values would come, then f would come. But in this case, if you see properly, initially some f's are going to come. Okay, then t will come in between. This is the hardest version of binary search. I hope it's clear to you now. Okay, and I will explain this in detail. You can yeah, I will explain, Karandeep, don't worry. You can go back on mute, Satab. Thank you. So, guys, now we need to analyze. We need to analyze. Now, this document I'm sharing with everyone, now it is needed. Now things are gotten very, very hard. Okay. And Karandeep, it will be very difficult this time. But I will try to explain. You know, guys, even I did not know that this problem is so difficult. Even I wrote the incorrect logic. Now I'll try to come to the correct one. Okay. So guys, this brute force is clear to everyone. Now this is simple. Okay. Clear. Now, what I am trying to say is that what is going to happen, Karandeep? Let's focus. I am saying that we are trying for, guys, everyone focus, huh? Everyone focus. We are trying for all the values from 1 to m, right? Say if it is valid, then we call it as true. If it is not valid, we call it as false. Okay, Karandeep and Satabdo. So, guys, Karandeep and Satabdo, let's say our n was 12. Our n is say 5, and say our k is 3. Okay, and say our m is 12. Okay, now we want to know which b of k values are valid. Okay, so this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12. Okay, guys. Now, Karandeep and Satabdo, we already know what happens for b of k equal to 1. Is it valid or not? What happened when I took 1? It was not valid. The sum was coming from 6 to 11, which is out of range of 12. So, Satabdo and Karandeep, tell me, what should be the answer for 1? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone right, guys? I now want 20 no in the chat. Answer is no. You should be knowing that the answer is no. Everyone. Answer is no, guys. Answer is no. Such difficult problems are rarely asked, but if you learn these difficult problems, all other problems will become easier for you. Guys, what happens for 2? For 2, you can do if you use common sense. Try to find the minimum and maximum range for 2. It will come as yes. Guys, I am leaving this to you, huh? This will come as yes. Guys, 2 will come as yes. Write in the chat, guys. Some people write yes in the chat. Now, Karandeep and Satabdo, check what will happen for 3. What will happen for 3? For 3 also, it will come as yes. Satabdo and Karandeep, what will happen for 4? You can even check on the code for 4, the answer is coming as false. You make it to say you to change this to 12, right? No, no, not here. You come here, you change it to 12. You will see that the answer is 3, means 4, 5, 6 were false. See, answer is, so 4 is false. Yeah, something like that. No, Satabdo. You can make it even bigger, Satabdo. You can make it even bigger. Yeah, the minimum condition was correct, Satabdo. Good, great, nice going. So, guys, now the thing is that for 4, the answer is coming as no. Then it is guaranteed that for all the other elements, the answer will be no, because the range is keeps on increasing. Okay. It comes as no, 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 no. Now, why is this happening? Can anyone give me explanation, guys? Whenever we are trying to find answer, initially there are some no's, then comes some yes, then full till eternity, the answer will be no only. If you try to imagine, you will come to know. I am giving you 1 minute, all of you, to imagine. Guys, why is this happening? That for the starting indexes, answer coming no. Then for some of them, it will be yes. Then continuously, there will be no. Let's see if someone can explain in the chat. Yes, minimum will start failing after some time, Satabdu. That's true. That's true. Yes, Karandeep, correct. But now I want to say something. Guys, focus. When your B of K was equal to 1, your low to high range was something like this. Okay. When your B of K is 2, your low to high range increases. It is like this. L is this, H is this. When your B of K is 3, it is common sense, na? Low and high range will increase as the number of middle increases. Low is this, high is this. So guys, but M is only one in this world. So say the M is somewhere here. So obviously all the left values will fail. Only the middle values will be true and the right values will also fail the day the L comes less than M. Say the L comes greater than M of some particular index, then it will stop satisfying. That's why it is happening that first false, no answer is coming, F, then some true answers are coming, then some false answers are coming. Guys, it is clear. Is this complicated explanation? Yes, minimum will keep increasing. Correct, Ekta. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if they understood. Why is it happening? Why is it happening? What is happening, Karandeep and Satabdo? First, some false answers are coming. Then it is guaranteed that all the continuous true will be coming. Then all the false will come again. See, in this case, there will be some F in the starting. And at some particular point, P will start coming. P will start coming. And it will keep coming. Sorry, guys, this problem is the hardest problem, I think, of this month. And it will keep coming. Then, then F will keep coming forever. Guys, this pattern, just imagine how hard it would be to solve this in an OA. My student did not solve this, but still he got the interview call. So no worries. Okay, this is very hard. People might not be able to solve in the interview. Guys, first all F are coming, then all T are coming, then all F are coming. So guys, we can do a simple binary search here. We can do a simple binary search here, but our binary search will be very complicated. Okay, so now let's focus on what to do. Guys, everyone write yes, Satabdo. Guys, everyone write yes, including Sakshi and everyone, if they understood that the pattern of the answer will be like this. First, there will be false values that this is not working, this B of K is not working. Then there will be some true values. Then again, there will be forever false values. So it is some F, then T, then F, then it's over. Is it clear to everyone? Guys, yes, F, T, F. Guys, everyone start writing. Okay, good. Yes, so people are paying attention. I liked it. But now, how will you know, guys? How will you know? How will you know? Say you are trying to doing binary search here. Okay, this is one, and say there are two, three. Say this is guys 50. Then say this is 75. Say this is 100. Now everything from 76 to 100 is false. Okay, it is like this: F. Okay, everything from 50 to 75 is what? True. True. And everything from 1 to 49 is what? False. F. So guys, now let's focus. You will put your binary search pointer mid equal to what? Mid equal to 100 plus 1 by 2. So it is 50. So you check that, yeah, it is coming as true. It means you are somewhere in the true range. You are somewhere in the true range. Guys, if you are in the true range, you should go in the right side of the binary search to find the maximum true. Guys, in this case, the answer is 75. You try to go in the right side. Okay. Now, whenever you encounter an F, let's say your mid was 80. Your mid was 80. Guys, but there are two cases of f. How will you come to know that this is a false of starting part or ending part? How will you come to know? It is common sense, guys. It is common sense. You just calculate the low and high of this guy. You calculate the low and high. Okay. Now, if the m is coming greater than high, if m is coming greater than high, it means it is a guy of the first part to saying false. If the if you calculate the low and high of this f, what will happen? M will come low than the lowest of L. It means that this is the F part of the bot back. Okay. So see, when you are doing binary search, yes, Sulaiman, correct, correct, correct. If you have watched my previous binary search sessions, it will be easier for you guys. Okay. So this diagram is not that good. Let me cut it up. Okay. Where are the good diagrams, man? Anyways, guys, say you are doing a binary search. Say you are doing a binary search. Okay. And the values are like this. Okay. F, 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 then T, T, then F, 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 F. Okay. So there will be some low. Low will be what? 1. What will be the high? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be something, guys. Let's say it is n. Okay. What will be the mid value? Mid will be what? 1 plus n by 2. Okay. Low plus mid by 2. Okay. So guys, in this case, what is b of mid? B of mid is false. B of mid is false. But the question is, but the question is, how do you identify? How do you identify if this is the false, if this is the last part of array or first part of array? Guys, because f is coming even in the starting part and the last part. If it's the first part of the array or the last part of the array. How can you know that, guys? How can you know that? But the question is, how do you identify if this is the last part of the array or the first part? So guys, for each index, for each value, you are going from 1 to m, right? 1 till m. Okay, so that's why I'm writing this is m. Okay, I've written it as n, but this is m actually. Okay, so you are going from 1 to m. So how do you know this f part is the starting part or the last part? When you know, so you are at b of mid, right? So let's say for mid, you calculate, for uh, guys, this, sorry, this was f of mid. Let's say g is a function which tells you the answer. So g of mid is false. This means what? This means that you were trying to set up b of k as mid. B of k as mid. Okay. So for b of k equal to mid, for b of k equal to mid, you can calculate the L and H values. You can calculate the max sum and min sum. Max sum and min sum. If the our m, if our m is greater than the max sum, if our m is greater than the max sum, means it's going in the right side. Okay. For a particular b of k, okay, so b of k is going from where, guys? We are trying all the possible b of k's. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be any number till 12. For each of them, you know the low and high ranges. What was for 1? It was 6 to 11. Similarly, there is some value for 2. There is some, and this keeps on increasing. This keeps on increasing. So, say your mid is 1. So you are trying to make b of k equal to mid, which is b of k equal to 1. So the mean sum is coming as what? 6. And the max sum is coming as 11. And our what we say, m value, capital M value is 12. See, it is given. So our m value is even coming bigger than this. Our m value is coming bigger than this. It means the correct answer is ahead of 1. It means this 1 is the answer of the first part of the array. Got it, guys? Answer of the first part of the array. Guys, is it clear to everyone what means the first part of the array? How will we get that max and mean value of the first f range? Array, it's easy. Here we are calculating now the mean and max range. Didn't you check? Didn't you check? This L, you constructed the array and you calculate the lowest possible sum. Mean sum is nothing but L, and maximum sum is nothing but H. Calculated the minimum sum, you calculated the maximum sum for a particular range, for a particular value VL. Okay, in this case I'm saying the b of k equal to VL. You calculate L and H and you just check. You just check if L is less than equal to M. If L is coming inside, if M is coming inside L and H, then this is true. If not, then we are returning false. But now I'm saying if it can happen, if uh, if H is less than M, it means F is coming from the first part. F is coming from the first part. Okay, guys. And if uh, the highest part is also less than M, it means the F is coming from the first part. In case okay, highest part is done now. In case say the M is less than L, what does this mean? This means that the F is coming from the last part. F is coming from the last part. I'll try to explain one more time. Okay, guys, I'll try to explain one more time. Yeah. Uh, you guys, I told you guys multiple times, right? That for each b of k there are some L and H. So try to explain why I'm doing this, because when I was a kid I know how hard it is to understand, so I don't want it to happen to other people. So guys, b of k can be different values, right? Till 12. Now you know that it will have some L, it will have some H. This will also have some L, but its L and H will be greater than this L and H. It can be intersecting. Okay, its L and H will be like this. Okay, so and say its L and H is like this. Okay, now what I'm saying, say the M is this. So M is coming inside the L and H of 2. Now, so for 2 this is true. But see, the M is greater than H. Hence it is false. It is the first part of false. See, it's clearly written that M is greater than H. See, I wrote it here also. If M is greater than H, then F is the first part. The false which you are getting is the first part of the array. And if say in this case, guys, see the L and H is not coinciding with the M. So in this case M is less than L. It means 12 is false. But 12 is the last part of the array. How do you know? Because you know that M is less than L. This is the L, this is the M. So if M is less than F is coming from the last part. Guys, I tried to explain in the most in-depth manner, and whoever is waiting till now is the best person here. Congratulations. Good. Everyone understood. Nice. Now, guys, the job is done. Now it's not that hard. Okay. You know what's happening now, but we need to identify na, it is the last part or the first part. So let's change it from bool to, let's say, integer. Okay. Guys, if it is returning as 1, na, uh, if it is returning 1, it means, yeah, it's fine. If that's not the case, If that's not the case, what will we do? For the first part, we will return one, return two, and for the rightmost part, we will return as three. Okay, we will return as three. So now I just take this code. Now we copy paste it in our efficient and login code. Okay, so I just go here, just copy paste it here, guys. I hope this main checking function is clear. If it is coming inside the range, I am returning one, Karandeep and Satabdo. If the f is coming from the first part, I am returning as two. If the f is coming as the last part, then I am returning as 3. Simple. Now let's write the binary search function, guys. Low will always be 1, high will always be m, and we will be solving this problem in n log m time. Okay. So while low less than equal to high and kk mid, I'm giving the mid as low plus high by 2. I'm checking. I'm checking if the for this particular mid, if the value is coming as true. If it is coming as true, it is common sense, guys. If it is coming as true, if it is coming as true, it means you should be checking on the right hand side. Now there are more truths possible, so you can get even max better values. What is the answer in this case? The answer in this case is this last t value. Clear, guys? So say you are at this true, it doesn't mean you stop here. You can even go on the right hand side, right? So the mid is coming as true, so you will make the low as mid plus 1, so you start checking this range. Okay, so also you need to make sure, so low is mid plus 1, but in case the just one value ahead is not equal to 1, it means you got your answer. You just stop working, just stop working. Okay, now in case it is coming as false. Okay, guys, now I will again have to explain some basic things to people. Okay, so yeah, Satabdo, we can do. Thank you, Karandeep, thank you. Yeah, so now, guys, what we are doing, I hope each one of you is understanding. What we doing is that in sometimes using, okay, so the things are like this, right? There are some values from 1 to 100. Okay, these values are false and these values are true and these values are false. Now what I'm saying is, say your mid is coming here, mid is saying true, and this was your low, this was your high. I am saying that don't stop at this mid, yaar. If it is coming mid means there is more scope, you can get high salary on the right side. So I'm saying now make change the range to low equal to mid plus 1. So now your code will be checking from only for this much part, because there is higher possibility of getting a bigger T. You want top G, bigger T. So what am I doing in this code is, now I am thoroughly convinced the way I am doing, no one is doing in India for DSA. Anyways, going back, guys, this low equal to mid plus 1. Okay, but you just do one more check. If the just adjacent element is false, it means you got your answer, you need to stop. That's why answer is mid, k equal to 1, and it is was 0 na, it will keep on running till it's 0, so I make it 1. Why is this special case, guys? It can happen that you are at this particular mid, okay. Now if you come to know that a value just ahead of you is false, it means you found the biggest T. That's why we are writing, if mid plus 1 is not equal to 1, it means it is false, 2 or 3, then kk1 answer equal to 1. Now guys, if it if the mid was true, then we know what to do. What if the mid is false? You cannot directly write high equal to mid or minus 1. You need to know if it is the further part or the last part. If check of mid comma k comma n comma m, if guys this check is 2, it means it is the first part. Guys, if it is 3, or I should just write else, na? If it is f is coming from the third part. Guys, in that case, if it is coming from the third part, then obviously you will do high equal to mid minus 1, na? High equal to mid minus 1. This is common sense, guys. Common sense. Common sense. Don't worry. Coding is nothing but common sense, guys. I hope all of you are liking. So say your mid is this. The answer is on the left hand side, right? So what will you do? Your mid is coming like this f. So what will you do? You will change your low to high from where? You will make your high equal to mid minus 1. So you will start checking this range. Because the answer is on the left hand side now. That's why you are decreasing your high. Now your low and high is this much. You'll be checking in this much range. What if your f is in here? Let's say your mid was this first part. Guys, your mid is here, you got this f. Where will be your answer? In left side or right side? Let's say what people are writing. Guys, where will be your answer? Left side or right side? Yes, Parth. Top G. Right, right. Everyone right, right. So guys, it is right. If it is right, what will you do? Low equal to mid plus 1. Low was initially 1, na? Now you don't need to check this much part. Now you should check in the right hand side. So you will make low equal to mid plus 1. Low equal to mid plus 1. Sorry guys, I will improve my handwriting game later on. So in this case, this problem. You know guys, before coming to the session, मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था इसमें इतने लोचे हैं. मेरे को बीच में सॉल्व करते करते पता चला कि पहले भी एफ आ रहा है. मेरी पूरी फट के हाथ में आ गई थी. एनीवेज, वो तो तुम लोग को मैंने 1 मिनट ब्रेक दिया था ना, वो खुद ही चेक करने के लिए दिया था क्या हो रहा है इसमें. नहीं तो फिर मेरी भी लग जाती. एनीवेज, दिस गाइज, दिस इज इफ, दिस इज एल्स, एंड दिस इज द चेक कंडीशन. This is this, and this is this, and this is this, and this is this. Now let's see if the things are able to run. If not running, we will improve the code, no need to worry. Cout does not name a type. What is this error? Okay guys, we put some extra stuff. So okay guys, we need to debug the code. We need to make some changes. So for 1 to 6, things are coming as 11. When I, let me check, we did a little bit of, let me check. Low is 1, mid is 6, and for 6, guys, for 6 the answer is false, right? So we will be coming in this case, I think. Then what happens is, I change the low. So why is this happening? That why is this coming so many infinite times? We need to fix it, guys. Guys, tell me what's going wrong. Why is this code giving like this? Can anyone tell me? Why is this code running infinite loop? Where did we do mistake? See, first we came to the range 1 6 11, right? Then I think that the 6 should be coming as this. Now let me write, it should be coming as 2. That's my guess. Okay. uh, let's write C out lol here. If it is lol, then it means yeah, it was correct. Let's see what oopsie happened here. Okay, even lol is not coming. So now guys, I am going in the code debugging phase. The session has ended, but array, sorry. Thank you guys for helping me. Yes guys, now I think it might work out. Thank you guys. See, I want students like this, so attentive, never letting me fail. Thank you so much guys. See, now it is working. So 12 3. This is very interesting problem. Huh? We'll put this in the second last session of binary search course. Yeah guys, it is now working. I hope everything is clear to everyone. Right? Yes or no guys? React with emojis in the meeting. Everything clear to everyone, guys, right? Liked it? Yes, Satabdo, I know it is very best question. Thank you, guys. Now I'm stopping the recording. Three,